On Monday, for breakfast, we will have assorted cereal bowl, fruit, juice, and milk. For lunch, we'll have orange chicken with sauce, steamed rice, broccoli florets, dill seasoned carrots, fruit, and milk. On Tuesday for breakfast, cinnamon toast crunch soft bar, fruit, juice, and milk. For lunch, breaded beef fingers, garlic toast, mashed potatoes with brown gravy, green beans, fruit, and milk. On Wednesday for breakfast, a biscuit with chicken patty, fruit, juice, and milk. For lunch, we will be having a hamburger or a cheeseburger, burger salad, potato tater tots, fruit, and milk. On Thursday for breakfast, we will be having strawberry Pop-Tart with fruit and milk. For Thursday lunch, we will have pulled pork tacos with corn tortillas, homemade fideo, seasoned pinto beans, lettuce and tomato salad, fruit, and milk. On Friday for breakfast, we will be having apple cinnamon cereal bar, fruit, juice, and milk. For lunch, we will be having chicken burger, burger salad, sweet potato waffle fries, fruit, and milk. Stay tuned next week to see what's cooking in your cafeteria.